The Mpow M12. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a budget pair of earbuds coming in under $30, the Mpow M12. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, Type-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The M12 features 5 hours of listening time, 25 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C charging, and wireless, and it's IPX8 waterproof. The case has a capsule shape to it and it's compact. Matte finish all around with a glossy middle finish. On the top, you have the Mpow branding. On the front of the case, you have the charge status LEDs. And on the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and has a snap to it when opening and closing. The earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. Ear markings are etched inside. This also has wireless charging, and here it is on the charger. You can see it activate. The earbuds have the typical design, matte finish all around, and it's small. Ear markings are on the inside, and on the outer face it has the Mpow branding along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, touch control, LED, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired function. These also have volume controls. The case comes in at 2.8 by 1.6 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at 46 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. The queen needs a king to be by her side. I'm a
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mpow M12 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I found the overall microphone quality to be good. Other parties had no issues hearing me during calls. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Mpow M12. They were easy to put on and it created a snug, tight fit. There was good passive noise isolation. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. And the touch controls are a plus since they don't add pressure when navigating. Build and quality is fair. Simple case and earbud design. Both are easy to grip and feel durable. Touch controls were responsive when navigating and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is average, coming in at 5 hours and 25 total with the case. I like the wireless charging, especially at this budget price point. The IPX rating is excellent, so this should protect you from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, I was impressed with what it put out. Definitely in line with the Mpow sound signature. You get big deep bass and it's not overwhelming and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs come in clean and clear as well. Good separation and depth. I would describe it as very energetic, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I feel these are worth it, and it puts out some impressive sounds for its price. It's versatile for workouts and casual listening, and it won't break the budget. So that is my review of the Mpow M12 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.